On this week's Inside Pest Management, we're going to talk about mosquitoes and rodents. And be aware, with this recent rainstorm that we've had come through the Southland, that's going to give an increase to rodent and mosquito activity. Already with cooling weather, it's rodent season, but with this recent rainstorm, we're going to get rats, mice, squirrels, skunks, possums, and raccoons, all trying to get inside structure to stay warm and dry and look for places to hang out over the winter. If you're starting to hear those scratching sounds, it's a good time to get an inspection and see what's going on to make sure that you don't have a bigger issue going on with any types of rodent or small animal issues. Mosquitoes. Generally, mosquitoes will start to taper off as the weather gets cooler. However, with this recent rainstorm and some warmer weather coming for our holiday weekend next week, expect mosquito activity to rise. If you've already had your mosquito service done for the season, now may be a great time to have an extra service done. Or if you're planning for that Thanksgiving holiday and you're hosting, now would be a great time to have a one-time mosquito service done to make sure that your guests are going to be comfortable during that holiday at the end of the week next week. Well, we're ready and able. Versatech is here and ready to take care of any of those wintertime pest problems that are going to be coming up. Whether that be mosquitoes or rodents or those small animals, give us a call and we're here to make sure that we can get you a free inspection to answer those questions, get you the right service options so that we can match your expectations.